Many off-the-road tyres can be saved from premature scrapping by doing timeous repairs, resulting in substantial savings. That's exactly what we do at Corporate Tyre Repairs. We started out as a small company with a big vision in 2012, growing into the biggest off-the-road tyre repair company in the Northern Cape. We have built up and nurtured a dynamic team, ensuring up-to-date requisite knowledge, experience and expertise in repairing OTR tyres. Corporate Tyre Repairs is proudly certified as one of the largest Rema Tip top accredited tyre repair facilities in Southern Africa, where we've created a safe working environment, as both customer and employee well-being is our top priority. As per industry regulations, we of course adhere to strict health and safety measures and guidelines. Our factory was designed to facilitate adherence to industry regulations, as well as innovation resulting in the team's experience, knowledge and input to streamline the repairs process. Corporate Tyre Repairs is Rema Tip top accredited in accordance with MERSITA. We follow Unit Standard 256179 in the repair of OTR tyres and work strictly in accordance with South African National Standards 765 of 2009. All our technicians collectively have over 20 years experience in the repair and restoration of OTR tyres, are Rema Tip Top certified and undergo annual training audits and refresher courses. We repair all OTR tyre sizes from a 14R20 up to a 5980 R63 with a turnaround time of around 7 working days. Let's take you through how our Rema Tip Top certified technicians restore one of these tyres. The tyre arrives from our client and is offloaded into the receiving area. An initial inspection takes place and the tyre is given a CTR number before it gets booked in. It is then moved to the wash bay, where it is thoroughly washed. A 7-step inspection follows, which includes checking the sidewalls, shoulders and crown for any separations, cracks, cuts or major injuries. The areas which need repairing are clearly marked. Next, the tyre is moved to the preparation bay, where a job card is issued. It is then checked against the marked injury areas on the tyre, so that the details are compared and confirmed, such as the measurements of the injury size. The job card is then attached to the tyre and moves with the tyre throughout the entire repair process. The area around the injury is skived out, using the cutting gouge at the injury spot all the way down to the wires. During the process, the cutting gouge requires intermittent sharpening with a sharpening stone. The area is trimmed and cleaned. As well as given texture so that the filling rubber has more area to attach to. Again, measurements are taken of the size of the injury and repair area, and the photo is taken. Now that the injury in the tyre is open and clean, a bonding solution is applied to the area, which has to settle for an hour. A second application of the bonding solution is then applied. This time the waiting time is 15 to 20 minutes, depending on weather conditions. We are now ready to fill up the area with rubber. Between every layer of rubber, it needs to be stitched. Once done, the area is covered with a dust cover sheet. The tyre then moves to the curing bay for anything between 7 hours to 12 hours, depending on the size of the injury. Sidewall injuries normally don't spend more than 8 hours in the curing bay. The curing clamps are removed and the tyre needs about an hour to cool down. Final skiving, skimming and buffing takes place. The tyre also gets re-grooved. At this point, another photo is taken to document the final repair. The correct patch size is selected according to a chart. It then gets prepared at the patch preparation station, where the poly backing is removed and 2 coats of blue cement are applied, after which a new poly backing is used to cover the patch. The injury channel inside the tyre gets buffed. The center line gets marked out for accurate patch positioning. The patch is then positioned over the injury and the outline is marked. The outlined area then gets buffed and tapered to give texture. Two layers of blue cement are applied. The patch is centered over the injury and applied. It then gets stitched. Cement is applied to the outside edges of the patch and repair area. A final inspection and quality check takes place, in which every repair is inspected inside and out, making sure that everything is set and that there are no blisters to the inner lining. Finally, the tyre is released and moved to the spray booth, where the tyre is sprayed to look as good as new. Ready to be delivered to another happy client who just saved themselves a lot of money. Every tyre repaired by us carries a 1,000-hour remaining tread life guarantee. Corporate Tyre Repairs continuously strives to use the best in materials, coupled with experienced workmanship in order to consistently produce quality repairs and deliver excellent service. Visit our website at ctrnc.co.za to get in touch.